this?
His
John's first guitar!
He probably had one that was dun 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 or something like that. That was a crank style.
Mom wanted you to play with her, that's why she bought your guitar.
Well, that's why I had kids, I guess. Man wouldn't play. He was old.
That's the way. Look at that. He's got it already.
Worry about the lights and John's eyes. Dan, are you doing that? No. Look at how quietly he opens his package. John does everything in slow motion. Now he's catching up for a lost time.